I've been feeling so down, yeah.
Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kerline, that's my dog, as always, running here and there, making background noises. She peed in the carpet where she's not allowed to, so she's trying to make it up to me. Okay, let's get into the video. Hello everyone, how are you all doing? My name is Kerline and today I am about to take you guys thrifting. Badly in need of some clothes, I got nothing to wear. I had to give away almost all of my clothes while I was in Australia before moving here to the US. FYI, in case you didn't know, I literally had to pack like 3 to 4 basic pieces to survive here because we already had so many other important stuff to bring. So I am actually planning to buy a lot of clothes, but the fact that thrifting sometimes can be so overwhelming in order to find something you really like, then also it's your style and it's your size. I am also considering to buy clothes to thriftly for my DIY videos. Really exciting, I know, which means a lot of DIY videos coming on my channel. In this video, you will not only go thrifting with me, but also I will do a try-on haul. Plus, I will also add some little inspos. Lily! I will also add some little inspos for every single pieces of how you can style them, how you can wear it, or DIY it. So let's not talk too much and get into the video. Somebody's calling me. Okay, so the first place you will always see me stop by in the thrift store is always the men's t-shirt section, because there's always so many different options, whether you want a plain t-shirt, graphic t-shirt, round neck, v-neck. Even with the sizes, you can be never disappointed. So before someone else comes in and grab the best ones, I wanted to be the first one, so I went all out there looking every single piece you could see in there, and trust me, I found quite a lot of them, so you better don't move. Also, they had the green tags for 30% off and blue tags for 50%, so I clearly had a lot of work to do in there. Also, I just saw this man giving weird looks while editing the video. Next, I went to the shirt section and I found a lot of them with good prints, but man, they were all expensive, like $15 or above. And if I am buying clothes that somebody already owned it better be cheap, or else what's the point of thrifting, right? So I really digged in there in the hope that I will find some decent pieces, but I didn't, so I had to pass it on with like 2 of them. Went to the jacket section. Why can't I say this? Jacket section. I found this super cozy blazer jacket with fur collar and big check print. Also found this bottle green blazer, but was too big for me. And then, ladies and gentlemen, I found this green oversized bomber jacket that I really liked, so I decided to try it on, and it was giving me very Riverdale vibes, so I took it as an option. Moving on to the dress section. Now this is when I tend to forget my style. Like, I get so confused seeing all the different kind of dresses. I like something, I pick it up, and then I think, oh, this one looks nice, I can at least try it on, and then I can decide if I like it. But I forget to ask myself if this is something I would wear in daily life, and then I also have these thrift ideas in the back of my mind. So this whole thought process keeps me confusing. To the shorts section, I found some nice ones like this blue check prints. Found another one in ocean blue, some heavy prints with laces on, and I really like this tie-dye bleached pair of denim shorts, but sadly the waist was too small. So I moved on to the pants and skirt section and found this check print wrap skirt that I really liked. I liked it, I bought it to my trolley. Then I learned they had no actual trial rooms. It's the washroom where people trying the clothes on. The moment when my plans of trying a trolley full of clothes shattered in pieces. I had to move on anyway, so moving on to the denim section. Seriously, this is the part of thrifting where everything starts blurring out. Like, all the pair of denim looks same exact to me until I go one-on-one seeing the brand, the waist, the length, the style, and the list goes on. Surprisingly, I managed to find some some Wrangler and Tommy Hilfiger denims, which had my hopes high that maybe there's potential I can find something of my size. And I found this high-waisted mom jeans that I really liked because it looked almost new, and I had to try them on in the washroom to make sure it fits, and surprisingly it did. All the blurring moments were worth it after all. I liked the fitting of the waist, the hips and everything. It looked almost new, so I had to get it. Then it was time to shortlist my pieces because I already took way many, thinking I could show you guys in the trial room, and I was running out of budget. So I'm quickly showing you guys some of the cute stuff that I didn't get. Firstly, I found this beautiful floral skirt that I can pair it with some chunky white sneakers and crop top, but really not my style, so I had to leave it. Also found this blazer and skirt set in baby pink mixed with some color detailings on it, giving me Chanel vibes, but don't know why I didn't buy it. Now that I'm editing the video, I just realized it was just $5. Then I found this formal set that had a dress underneath. Felt very comfy, so I tried the overcoat on and thought was really cute, so just got the overcoat.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why?
Lastly, I went to the shoe and bag section and found a pair of Ann Taylor animal print shoes with some golden chain on it, a pair of Gucci sleepers dupe, and lastly some vintage handbag.
Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just alone.
Okay, came home and did a little bit of this color coordination thing. Just wanted to see how much stuff I've got and how they will look in my wardrobe. Silly thing, I know. Let's move on to the vlog. Okay, so firstly I got this red satin gown because prom is near and I'm getting into this dress hunting spirit. Although I'm not going to prom, but I thought I can do some thrift flip with this gown and make it look more sexy and stylish. So definitely keep an eye for my upcoming DIY videos. Also, it looks almost new. Just got it for $6. Fits me so perfect. Feels like it was just made for me. Too dramatic, I know. But you're actually getting a lot of fabric in case you want to do a DIY project with this or anything, I don't know. But you get a lot of fabric for $6, so I had to get it. Next is the mom jeans that I showed you guys earlier. Just trying to pair it with all the t-shirts that I got to see which one looks the best. Got it just for $8. Doesn't look like it was worn a lot, so I'm happy with my purchase. I got this neon pink dress just for $4. I know this way it looks terrible on me, but I am thinking of flipping into a two-piece matching set. Also because the fabric is stretchable plus really good quality. So once it's done, it will look 10 on 10. I promise. You won't be able to tell it was thrifted. Next, I got this gorgeous orange dress for $3. I don't know what I'm going to make of it yet, but I'm sure something nice can be done to this dress as there's enough fabric and it's stretchable, very comfy, so I had to get it. Okay, got this black velvet dress for $4. The fabric is quite thick and heavy, like it feels really heavy. Again, I got it for the same purpose, DIY thrift flip, so expect a lot of DIY videos coming on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Then I got this black graphic t-shirt to pair it with my pair of denims or shorts, maybe, I don't know. But I love the print that says, "Without struggle, there is no progress." Also really love the red, yellow and black combo, so I had to get it. Next, I got another graphic t-shirt but in red. Thought it would go really nice with my light wash denim as it's super bright red. And both of this t-shirt were 50% off, so got it for $3 each. I can turn it into a crop top if I want or wear it as it is. Either way, it will look really good. Then I also got this green bomber jacket for $6 that I showed you guys earlier. This has to be my absolute favorite out of all the pieces that I got because of the color and the quality looks really nice. Looks like somebody just got it and never ended up wearing it, so decided to give it away. Maybe, so that's why it looks almost new. I don't know, but the fact that I can pair this jacket with so many different pieces in so many different ways, I couldn't pass it on. Next, I got this overcoat that I also showed you guys earlier. Got it for $4. Looks almost new and super comfortable. Don't know how to describe this color, but I really like the black border line and the two side pockets. Thought it looks really cute. Next, I got this green and black check shirt for $3, and I want to turn this shirt into a puff sleeve top. If you haven't seen my video already, click the link on the screen to watch it, where I show you guys how to turn a man's shirt into a puff sleeve top. So that's the reason why I mainly got this shirt. I think the print looks really cute, so I had to get it. I also got this bright red t-shirt that says Phil Crew at the back, and also got some on one arm and at the front. I'm thinking to turn it into a crop top or just wear it as it is. I don't know what I'll end up doing to this t-shirt, but I got it for $3. Moving on, I also got this bright orange t-shirt that I already like how it looks. I mean, tying and wearing it as a crop top, the bright orange and the light wash denim looks really good together, I think. And also it was only 99 cents. Lastly, I also got some pink, green, yellow, blue, black and white t-shirts. I think just because t-shirts are the easiest thing you can find in the thrift store, so I am adding a few of this t-shirt thrift flip inspo. Also, I am going to do a lot of these DIYs in my channel soon. So that was all for today's thrift haul video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
Drown myself inside the juice, yeah.